That's
per month.
64 pesos
Can you get per day? Can you get per day? 64.
64
For as of 2023, Madam Chair, the monthly food threshold for a family of 5 is 9,581 pesos. That's comes out to about 64 pesos per person.
So
Per
you're
day.
still using the 20 pesos per meal per day for a family of 5.
Yeah, it comes out to something like 64 pesos per person per day.
64 pesos per
Person per day.
person yung 64 pesos?
64
per day.
pesos per day
Per person.
per person.
Pero 3 meals ho yun, di ba? So
Tama.
parang lumalabas sa 20 pesos per
Roughly,
person
roughly.
per day.
Yeah,
Per meal.
per meal.
Per meal. 20
20
pesos. Sa tingin niyo ho ba that number is sufficient, yung 20 pesos?
The basket has not been changed for some time, Your Honor. Although the value of that basket has been adjusted for inflation. So yung adjusted for inflation na yan, we'll be revisiting I think it's due for revisit of that poverty threshold natin kasi medyo matagal na rin. More than a decade na yon since it was set, and I think that the changes in the economy warrant a revisit already of the threshold. But the reason we are keeping it constant in real terms after adjusting for inflation, Your Honor, is just to ensure that we are tracking properly the changes and allow us to understand whether our policies, our programs are working insofar as these are able to reduce poverty.
But Secretary, there's certain things that need to be constant, but there's certain things that have to be adjusted because when you compute poverty thresholds using an old number, which is obviously not workable anymore, 20 pesos per meal, hindi totoo yung poverty, your poverty forecast.
Yeah, let me clarify that, Your Honor. The amount in terms of peso has been adjusted for inflation. Meaning, if the basket is rice plus some variant, the value of that in 2010 or 2010, kasi may inflation na after so many years, that is accounted for na value inflation.
So yung 20 po adjusted na yan for inflation?
Adjusted na yun every time that we calculate a new poverty number, we adjust it for the inflation. Actual inflation yun
So last year, ano yung per meal ninyo? Magkano?
It's sa 64 pesos per day per person.
So that's 64 per day divided by 3.
Divided by 5. Per person.
Per person.
Yeah.
So
Just-
21. So ganun din.
Just to ensure noong 2021, that was 55. In 2023 it was 63, and then by 2024 that's expected to go up to 67 or so. Admittedly, with the growth of the economy since 2010, this was the last time that basket was determined by a combination of agencies, the Department of Health, the FNRI, the Food and Nutrition Research Institute. Sila ang nag-determine ng basket na yon and what constitutes a reasonable food basket that could meet the nutritional, particularly calorie requirement so hindi naman NEDA ang nag-invent yung basket na yon. It's the FNRI. And then linagyan lang ng presyo.
And dun ho sa basket na ho yun, pasok sa 20 pesos.
Ngayon ho, yung per meal ho,
Yes.
kasi napaka basic, very basic lang talaga yung basket. Ngayon, of course, with the growth of the economy, as I said, maybe we should revisit that because preferences could have changed already. The relative prices have changed. Kasi nga nakita natin yung price of rice has been, inflation there has been over 20% for the last couple of months. No? So obviously, doon lang talagang ubos na yung 20 pesos per
Yes.
meal.
E tapos sa poverty threshold, ano naman yung parameters?
It's 79 pesos noong 2021. That has come up to 91 in 2023. That is also per pesos per person per day ho. Monthly it comes up out to about 2,759 pesos.
Pag kumikita ka a month ng 2,700, at almost 3,000, you shouldn't consider yourself as poor. Tama po ba?
Family, it will be
Per
family.
capita ito.
Yeah, per person. So multiply by
So i-multiply natin ito ho ng kung average family size is 5, i-multiply natin itong number nito by 5 ito. Let me check the family.
Madam Chair, baka makatulong if I may, because I have some data that I can show if with the indulgence of Senator Nancy. Talking about the poverty threshold, Mr. Secretary, kasi po yung binanggit nyo kanina, yung food threshold na 63 pesos a day, pag tinignan po yung poverty threshold, yung PSA data shows that, and the PSA can correct me if I'm wrong, yung annual average per capita poverty threshold in 2023 is 33,296. Per annum po itong computation, no? Yung equivalent nito is 2,775 pesos per month or around 13,875 per month for a family with 5 members. Yan po yung data, Secretary, no? And katumbas lang po ito sa poverty threshold, no? Hindi na sa food threshold, 92 pesos and 50 cents. If my numbers are correct, para dun sa poverty threshold ng family of 5 per person, 92.50 pesos. Again, the question is, kaya bang matustusan yung kanilang mga pangunahing pangangailangan, kagaya ng pagkain, tirahan, kalusugan, edukasyon at iba pa? Hindi ko alam kung saan aabot yung 92.50. Kasi tignan po natin yung presyo ng bilihin ngayon, no? Andyan po yung presyo ng price monitoring ng Department of Agriculture. Ang bigas ay 45 pesos to 65 pesos. A kilogram of chicken costs 180 pesos to 230 pesos. Yung galunggong costs 180 pesos, between 180 to 280 pesos. Ang jeepney fare, ang minimum is 13 pesos one way. Ang electricity ay kumukonsumo ng 200 kilowatt per hour. So they spend about 2,000 pesos per month on electricity, or equivalent, Madam Chair, to 66 pesos per day or 13 pesos per member of a household of 5. So dyan po sa computation na yan, yung katanungan, parang hindi ko alam kung kailangan pang i-memorize, but we feel na we need to adjust the poverty threshold to reflect the reality that millions of our kababayans, of Filipinos, remain poor despite our economic growth. And as I mentioned a while ago,